Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring. Today we've got quite an exciting BODMAS example. So let me write BODMAS out before we get into it. B-O-D-M-A-S. Okay, so what does BODMAS mean? It means brackets, then of, then divide, then multiply, then add, then subtract. This is probably one of the most important acronyms for you to remember going through all of the maths you're going to do this year and years to come. This is super important. Lots of kiddies are making mistakes because they're doing addition and subtraction before division and multiplication before brackets. If you make that mistake, the answer is immediately wrong. Now, knowing that, and I know you guys know it, we're going to apply BODMAS to this question. So we've got 100 minus 12 divided by 8 plus 4. Now remember, we look for brackets first. Do we see brackets? We see brackets over there. Everything else we leave the same. So we've got 100 minus 12 divided by, and we can simplify the brackets. 8 plus 4 we know is 12. And we've done the bracket section. Brilliant. The next thing we need to do is look for ofs. We can see typically ofs don't appear too often, so we see no ofs in the question that's been given to us. Moving on to divide. Is there something to divide? There is indeed, so that's going to be our next step. So we're going to leave the 100 in its place. We're going to leave this minus over there, and we're going to divide 12 by 12. So 12 divided by 12 we know is 1. Look how simple we've made the question. If we look back at what the question looked like initially, and through applying simple BODMAS, we've made this really easy to solve. 100 minus 1 gives you 99. And that is the answer. And you're probably going to get about 3 marks for that answer. And all it is following the process. BODMAS is the key here, guys. It's really important to remember BODMAS, but not only remember it, know how to apply it. That's even more important. That's all from me, guys. Remember to look us up on our website. Send us a question if we haven't answered it already, and we will respond with a personalized video. Until next time, stay